Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about directions of communication. So what is direction of communication? The flow of communication in an organization is called directions of communication. Okay. There are four directions of business communication and they are downward communication, upward communication, horizontal communication and diagonal communication. So let's talk about the first communication, downward communication. Nowadays, most of the organization follows downward communication due to hierarchical nature of organization where all communication basically and naturally flows from top to bottom. It is a communication that comes from superiors to subordinates. Now you guys can see how downward communication flows in an organization from the top to bottom. It means managing director to GM and GM to assistant GM and assistant GM to supervisor and supervisor to employees. So this is how downward communication flows in an organization. So let's talk about the second one, upward communication. This channel of communication flows from lower level to top. It starts from people at the lowest level of an organization and reaches the top. An open door policy, social gathering, counseling, etc. are some common methods of upward communication. And now you guys can see how upward communication flows in an organization. It starts from workers to production supervisors, and production supervisors to assistant production manager, and it goes to manager of production. So it flows from the bottom to top. Let's talk about third one, horizontal communication. This kind of communication takes place between departments or people on the same level in an organization structure. It is one of the most frequently used channel of communication. Face-to-face talk, telephonic talks, periodical meetings, memos, etc. are the ways of carrying out this type of communication. It is very important for the smooth functioning of every organization as it promotes understanding and coordinating between various departments. Bad situation can arise if there is a lack of proper horizontal communication. For example, the production and the marketing department must interact with each other because marketing tactics and production planning go hand in hand. So now you guys can see how horizontal communication flows in an organization. The production manager communicates with the sales manager, and the sales manager communicates with the purchase manager, and it goes vice versa. Now let's talk about the fourth and last, diagonal communication. Diagonal or crosswise communication envisages a horizontal flow of information as well as interaction across different levels of an organization hierarchy. Communication flows across different levels in an organization. Among people who may not have direct reporting relationships, diagonal communication is used to speed up the flow of information. It makes effective efforts for achieving organizational goals. A great deal of communication does not follow the organizational hierarchy but cuts across well drawn lines. Channels of such communication are general notices, informal meetings, formal conference, lunch hour meeting, etc. So now you guys can see how diagonal communication flows in an organization. The operation manager can directly communicate with the IT manager, or the IT manager can directly communicate with the maintenance manager, and the sales manager can communicate with the production manager, and it goes on. I hope you guys understood this concept. If you did, make sure to like and give your valuable comment. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. And finally, thanks for watching.